What's up, Nation? Day 844 in quarantine. No, I don't know what day it is. But anyway, today we have a Metcon first, and then we got a little bit of accessory after. So our Metcon today, it's going to be a 12-minute Amrap. You'll have 50 double unders or 100 singles, and then right into 20 kettlebell swings, and then 20 sit-ups. Goal today is shoot for 4 to 5 rounds. So on those kettlebell swings, if you have a heavy dumbbell and it gets kind of sketchy to go into all the way overhead, by all means, you can go just a Russian, so to eye level. If you have a kettlebell, keep it American, so it's going up all the way over our head. And then those sit-ups, just our regular sit-ups. For the ab mat variation, if you don't have an ab mat, you can put a pillow, towel, something there just protecting that lower back. But that's pretty much it. Accessory, right? So to end it with, so for 15 minutes for quality, you're gonna have just accumulate 50 bicep curls. So on here, just pick a weight that you can do for about 2 to 3 big sets. Probably going like 25-25, breaking up however. You can use like cans, you can fill up waters. Just get something in where you can be able to control for those bicep curls. And then from there, you're gonna go accumulate 50 dips, same format, right? I want to shoot for 2 to 3 big sets. And then from here, part C, you're going to accumulate 50 bent over rows, something light, shoot for all unbroken. Could use like, you can fill up some water bottles or some cans, something you can find around your house. Use a brick, just something that you can, in order to go for 50 unbroken bent over flies. But on those dips, just to go, if you're going to use a chair, bench, whatever you can, right? I'll scoot my legs out. From here, I'm pinning back my shoulders, right? They're not caved forward, right? Slouching, I'm activating them into, and then from there, I'm gonna dip to my elbows, get to a 90, and then drive up, press with that dip. Okay, guys, from here also too, try not to just go quick and fast of a dip like that. Just keep it nice, slow, and control for those 2 to 3 big sets. Warm up, we're gonna go 3 rounds. You're gonna have 5 inchworms with the push-up into 15 double unders or singles. And then from there, 5 burpee bottoms into a 15-second lemon squeeze. Just to re-go over that lemon squeeze, 15 seconds. Right, we're holding nice and tight. We have arms close to our legs, legs at that 90, toes pointed, shoulder blades are up. 15 seconds. Bottom burpees, remember they're just going halfway, they're not going all the way up. Inchworms with the push-ups. Remember that's just keeping our legs nice and straight, and then we're push up from there. And then 2 rounds, you're gonna go 100-meter run into 10 windmills. So those windmills, right, my legs are far apart, I'm rotating, trying to get that palm all the way down to the ground. And then after that, you'll have 10 split leg around the world. So I'm in that split leg position. I'll go from one side, just all the way around. So I'm starting at one end, and then Coach Bray's, just walking over. And then from there, you're going to 10 pillar planks, starting that plank position. And then from there, drop those elbows down, and then press right up. Right, different variation you can go is just dropping 1 at a time, and then coming right back up. Cool, 2 rounds through that, and then from there you got a little post wad. You're going to 3 rounds, 10 active frogs into a 1-minute overhead wall position, and then from there you'll have 10 cat cows.